Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this card making tutorial. Thank you for joining me today. This is the Christmas card we're going to make. It's this very simple snowflake Christmas card and it's very tonal, very elegant card, and I just love how simple and beautiful it is. So I thought we could try and make another one here together. Now this one just uses two different colours of ink. And the stamp set we're going to use here is one that's called, what's it called again? Sorry. There we go, Sparkling Snowflakes. It's come up on the screen, Sparkling Snowflakes. And we're going to use these three more delicate snowflakes that you can see here. And firstly, we are going to be stamping in Pool Party ink, which is going to be a lighter colour. And we really are going to stamp off more than once at times. Here you can see me stamping off twice before I add in ink colour. And just add in the colour as I want. Just adding snowflakes here and there all over the background, making sure I do leave space for my sentiment. You can see here I'm not happy I haven't left space for my sentiment. I left this in the video so you can see we all make boo-boos. That's why cardstock has two sides. We can just turn it over and use the other side. And I just want to make sure I leave space for that sentiment. So, try to remember to stamp off twice before I add my colour. And there we go. That's going to be enough there. So give that a clean. And then I'm going to go in with my smaller stamp here and fill in some areas. And I'm just stamping off quite a bit, as you can see. I really want it to be very light. I don't want it to be too bright and in your face. Now I know on the video you can't see so easily everything, but you will see it on the little shots at the end. Now I'm going to go in with my deeper colour, and this is called Boho Blue, and this one you will be able to see more easily here. And I'm just over stamping where I stamped before, so this is going to be brighter, whereas before was very subtle, and this just sort of gives a lovely tonal effect, I feel. Okay, we're going to do the same with our small snowflake, also I want to call it my baby snowflake. I'm going to give it a little clean. I decided I want to switch to a different snowflake. I'm going to go for that one rather. Stamp off. Yeah, I'm happier now. And I'm just filling in the gaps wherever I think there needs to be until I feel I'm happy with the design and the composition. So give that a little clean up. And now we're ready to stamp our sentiment. So I am going to use a stamping tool to stamp our sentiment here, just so I can get everything straight. And I have a grip mat inside here to help me grip everything. So put my cardstock down here. Now the sentiments I'm going to use are from this stamp set called Reindeer Fun. We're going to say, may all your days be filled with cheer and Merry Christmas. So I'll get those two out. And now I'm going to just line them up here in my stamping tool. You could do this with your blocks as well, perfectly fine, be no problem at all. But I'm just being lazy here and I can stamp both of my sentiments together this way. And hopefully, if in case I don't stamp very well the first time, it'll be easy enough to stamp it again. So now I'm going to stamp my sentiments here in Boho Blue. So give everything an ink up, and you can see I'm inking up half the world as well. Not a problem. It's not going to transfer. There we go. Isn't that lovely? It's a very simple single layer card, no dimension except for some rhinestones that we're going to add in a minute. Really simple to do. Now I'm just going to clean everything up, as you know I'm a great believer in cleaning up as you go along, so I'm just using the simple chamois from Stampin' Up just to give everything a really good clean. It is an invaluable tool in my craft room. I could not stamp without it. So useful. Okay, So we're ready to assemble our card now. So let's just close up that ink pad. And our card base is going to be boho blue. So this is a standard 80s card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I'm going to stick down my piece of basic white. Now if you want all the measurements of the supply list, you'll find it on the blog post, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. You'll also find all my social media links, including the link to my Facebook group, where I host fortnightly card making challenges, so do come and join in. I'd love to see you there. Now I'm just going to put another piece of basic white, the same measurement as the outside, on the inside for our insert, and just stick that down there. Lovely. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this video and you like this card, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that notification bell and the subscription point. It really does help the videos become more visible, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I upload videos 3 times a week, so there's lots of content there for you. So now some finishing touches to the card. I'm just going to add some rhinestones, and I'm just using the bigger ones here in the centre of the snowflakes, and I think this really does help bring the card together. It really just gives it that something, la je ne sais quoi, to our card. There you go. So there are the cards. A really simple tonal Christmas card. Now I lost the rest of the coverage, but here you can see the still shots of the card. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.